Remember the movie The Martian? An astronaut grows potatoes on Mars. It's science fiction, but it could become reality. We can grow food in space. The moon is a good place to start. Imagine lunar farms with rows of potato plants. Why potatoes? They're tough. They grow in harsh conditions. They provide carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Perfect for astronauts. How to grow potatoes on the moon. Growing potatoes on the moon is a challenge, but not impossible. We need to create the right conditions. Potatoes need sunlight, water, and nutrients to grow. The moon has no atmosphere to filter sunlight. We can build special greenhouses. These structures would protect plants and control the environment. We can use LED lights to mimic sunlight. Water is scarce on the moon. We can collect ice from permanently shadowed craters. This water can be purified and used for irrigation. The moon has a very thin atmosphere. This means no oxygen for plants to breathe. We can solve this by creating artificial atmospheres inside greenhouses. We can pump in a mixture of gases, including oxygen and carbon dioxide. Gravity on the moon is much weaker than on Earth. This can affect plant growth. We can use techniques like aeroponics. Plants are suspended in air and sprayed with nutrient-rich water. Lunar soil, called regolith, lacks organic matter. It is also compacted and difficult for roots to penetrate. We can use hydroponics or aeroponics. These methods don't need soil. Plants grow in nutrient solutions. Imagine a future lunar base. Astronauts eat fresh food grown on site. They are not relying on supplies from Earth. This is sustainable space living. Lunar farms could provide food for future space explorers. They could even supply oxygen. Plants release oxygen during photosynthesis. This makes the moon more habitable. Growing potatoes on the moon is a big challenge, but it is a step towards a future where humans can live and thrive in space.